Students on Fusion have a tool available that allows them to report any concerns to the school. These concerns could be regarding something they've seen on Fusion, somewhere else on the web, or on any other aspect of their life. It's very much part of the school's safeguarding policy. The Report Concern page has an introductory paragraph which you as a school can edit. There's some school contact details that you can add if the student doesn't want to use this form. And then there's the web form below. As the system administrator, you need to decide who receives these messages when a student sends them. So let's log in as the admin. I'm logged in as admin now, and I'm going to go to Manage, Concerns. So this is where I put the contact details that students can use if they want to contact the school outside Fusion. This is where you can edit the text of your introductory paragraph. And down here is where you decide who receives the students' messages that they submit via the web form. On the left is a list of all the teachers in school, and on the right, the people who've currently been selected to receive these messages. To add someone, you simply tick them and click Add Recipients. That person has now been added to the list on the right. If I want to remove recipients, I come down this list and tick them and click Remove Recipients down below. If you decide you don't want to use the Report Concern function, just go to the Feature Manager and scroll down to Concerns, and you can just untick that for the various user types and save at the bottom. So that's how to manage the Report Concern system on Fusion.